Hey everyone, and welcome to Health Chronicle. Today we're going to be talking about pea protein. Pea protein is a plant-based protein powder that's becoming increasingly popular, but what is it exactly and what are the benefits? In this video, I'm going to answer all of your questions about pea protein, including what is pea protein? What are the benefits of pea protein? Where to find pea protein? How to use pea protein? So if you're interested in learning more about pea protein, be sure to stick around for the whole video. Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need to build and repair tissues. It's also important for muscle growth and recovery. There are many different sources of protein, but pea protein is a plant-based protein that's becoming increasingly popular. What is pea protein? Pea protein is a plant-based protein powder made from yellow peas. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. Pea protein is also a good source of iron, fiber, and calcium. What are the benefits of pea protein? Pea protein has many benefits, including it's a good source of protein for people who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet. It's also a good option for people who have allergies to other sources of protein, such as dairy or soy. Pea protein is easily digested and absorbed by the body. It's also low in calories and fat, making it a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Where to find pea protein? Pea protein powder is available at most health food stores and online retailers. It's also added to many plant-based foods, such as protein bars, shakes, and snacks. But check the link on screen now for our recommendation. How to use pea protein. Pea protein powder can be mixed with water, milk, or plant-based milk to make a shake. It can also be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, and other foods. Pea protein is a high-quality, plant-based protein that offers many benefits. It's a good option for people who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet, as well as people who have allergies to other sources of protein. Pea protein is also easily digested and absorbed by the body, and it's low in calories and fat. If you're looking for a healthy and convenient way to boost your protein intake, pea protein powder is a great option. Let us know if you take pea protein and what your experience is like.